Hi everyone, so this is a new episode of me doing Kracie Popin Cookin. This is a donut set. There's a donut box included, just like in the last time with the bento box kit. Not much else I can gather from the cover. I bought it from Korea, so unhelpfully it has a huge sticker covering the part of the instructions that I like, which tells me the order of the sachets. This in a straight line. Put this. So that's the box, mixing tray, piping bag, and spoon. For the sachets, you have a yellow, blue, and red, brown, sprinkles, and purple. In the musical note box, you fill the bottle with water. I'm gonna add the yellow dough. Use the included spoon to just mix. I'm supposed to be able to make 2 balls out of this. So going back to the musical note container, I'm just gonna fill it up again with water just until the line. Take the big brown sachet. Again, just separating the dough into 2 balls and rolling each. I'm just rolling each dough. I'm just carefully yet firmly pressing the dough onto the mold, just making sure that there's no air bubbles inside. It was important to roll the dough into a ball to make sure that all surfaces make contact with the mold. Pretty sure I don't have any air pockets right now. It smells so nice. I really wonder if it's like... Ah! Wow! A perfect donut. Wow! Another perfect donut. Okay, let's try to... Wow! Perfection! Yahoo! Blue and red as icing. 1 scoop of water each side. Take the blue sachet, mix it here. Take the red sachet. And then just mix the white powder to create the white icing. Next is the pink icing. So this is the icing. I'm just gonna set it aside. I'm gonna go back to the big mixing bowl. I'm using just 1 scoop of water. Brown sachet. Oh my gosh, it looks so fudgy! I wish you weren't expired. And we're supposed to put in the piping bag. And now for the part I hate the most, designing. So the purple sachet, brown sprinkles or rice flakes, bag of sprinkles, these icing. It's all overwhelming me. I don't know what to do. So I'm just trying to use all the decoration elements. I've piped some chocolate frosting, and now I'm spreading some pink and white frosting. And for the last donut, I couldn't decide, so I just tried to alternate the pink and white frosting. think I'm gonna put some sprinkles on some of this, maybe here. Okay. Yo! Okay, and now time to plate my wonderful creations. I think it's like better to use a spoon with them. Oh my gosh, no! Ah, perfect! So this is my donut box. Woohoo! I think it turned out amazing, except for the part where I ruined it. So that was the Kracie Popin Cookin donut edition. I love how much stuff you get to mix, and there's also varying textures between the dough and the icing. I only didn't like decorating it. I feel like it drains me so much creatively. I feel like so lost when I have to decorate cakes, but I think it turned out really amazing. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time. Bye!